Okay, now today I will discuss the graphical representation of motion again, but now here the case will be changed. Case is the when the body is in a non-uniform motion or accelerated motion. In earlier we had to discuss about the uniform motion, but now here it is non-uniform motion. So what is a non-uniform motion? When the objects traverse the unequal distances in equal interval of time, that motion of the object is called non-uniform motion. Suppose a body is drops from a certain height, it's fall freely under the action of the gravity. The distance traveled by the object in successive seconds goes on increasing as shown in table. So now here table we will see that this block is indicate the time and this one is the second. Now in 0 second it's travel 0 distance. It means that it is in a rest. Now after 1 second the object travels 5 meters, and after 2 seconds the object travels 20 meters, and after 3 seconds the object travels a total distance 45 meters. After the completing of the 4 seconds it's cover 80 meters, and after 5 seconds it covers the object covers 25 meters. Now we plotted a graph here. We taking all these points, the horizontal as a representing time, and this vertical lines x-axis representing distance. Now this time axis, this axis is showing the time and divided from 0 to 5 second, and here y-axis divided from 0 to 140 meters. Now we draw the according this table in this graph. Here the 0 second covers 0. So we will mark here a point. Now in 1 second it travels 5 meters. So in 1 second, this one is the time axis. 1 second is here. We draw a vertical line, and 5 second will be here, and we draw a horizontal line where the vertical and horizontal cross. We mark a dot. Now then again we will see that here it is given a 2 second. In 2 second its objects cover 20 meters. In 2 second, so now again we draw a vertical line and it's cover 20 meters distance. So 20 is here, then vertical horizontal line we will draw, and where both are crossed we will again marks a dot. Now after 3 seconds object cover 45 meter. So 45 meters, 3 seconds we draw a vertical line, and 45 will be here. Now like this, it may be here, and we draw like this ones, and again where they will cross I will mark a dot. Now after 4 seconds object cover 80 meter distance. So now again we will draw like this ones, and 80 meter, this one, this is a 80 meter distance covered by the object, and where they cross we mark a dot. And after 5 seconds it's cover 125 meters. So this one is 120, and 125 will be here. Then again we will draw a horizontal line, and where they cross we put a mark. Now we join all the dotted, so we will get a like this one's a line we will get a curve. These ones. After the joining, we will get a curve, and that curve show the motion. And which types of the motion? Uniform motion. Uniform motion or speed. So now it is a curve. It means that it is a uniform motion. Object is in uniform motion, and it is that it's curved towards the curves towards the distance y-axis, which is representing distance. It means that we will see that when the time is increasing, with the time the speed is covered more in equal distance. So now it means that it is a positive acceleration. Speed is increasing, and so that we can say that it's have a positive acceleration. Positive acceleration. It means when the curve is towards the distance, it means it is a positive acceleration. What is the positive acceleration? It means that acceleration exert towards the speed or a velocity. And now see this graph. If the curve we get towards the time axis, it means that the motion is negative, is in negative acceleration. It means that acceleration exerted opposite to speed or a velocity, and it is also called a retardation. Retardation. It means that the speed will be decreases with time.